Everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are healthy and happy. I myself am extremely stoked as I'm going to be introducing you all to two new members of my reptile family, and one of them is not a reptile. Stay tuned. So we're going to head next door to the room next to mine and check out the new reptile that is currently in quarantine. The reptile, however, has actually already been here for about a week. However, I was hesitant to share him for two reasons. One, I wanted to allow him time to acclimate before I actually handled him to show him to you all. And then two is because there tend to be a lot of people who are quick to judge. And I actually ended up getting this snake the day after Mushu died, and I didn't want people to see that and then see me posting that I got a new snake and saying that I was setting bad examples and having animals die and replacing them, because I did not replace Mushu with this snake. The snake was already in the process of getting paid for, was paying the snake off when Mushu died, and of course I just didn't want to have to explain myself, but I guess here I am explaining myself anyway. And then I got my second pet actually yesterday, and I'm very excited to share that pet, and I just didn't think it would be fair to share that one before even sharing the one that's already been here for a week, and I've been already dying to share with you guys because secrets are hard, and keeping a secret for 2 weeks was going to be a challenge, and I wasn't even sure if I was going to do it, and obviously I'm failing at it, but I'm mostly doing it because I got this second pet, and it's not one that I'm too concerned about sharing, so I'm just going to share them both with you, and so I'm very excited about it. So here he is, you guys. This is Tiger. He is my tiger rat snake, and he is absolutely stunning. I really hope that's coming through. Oh my goodness, he's a long one and super active, and he actually got wrapped around the tripod, the camera, and knocked things down before I even started this, so it was definitely a feat to get to this point. But now that he's calm and relaxed and not trying to actually explore as hard, I will tell you guys a little bit more about this fella and how I came to get him. So this guy has got a little bit of an interesting story. So the shopkeeper had a friend bring him into the shop after they were, I think they were going to work, and somebody had left this snake in a box on their porch with a note that just said, "I think you can handle this." Obviously the person did not feel the same because they brought the snake into the shop, and the shop put a lot of time and effort into getting the snake back to health. It had a few health issues, but they worked it out, and they put a lot of time into getting him back to health and getting him eating again, and he almost sold, but the person who was going to buy him ended up losing their housing, so they were not able to actually take him, and so then I finally made the decision and I put the first down payment down on him, and then I finished paying him off the day after Mushu died, and I brought him home. So he has been here for about a week now. Let me tell you, this has been one heck of a secret to keep, because as you can see, he's just amazing. Like, he's such, look at this tail, look at this, he's just got it all wrapped and tangled up there. Oh gosh, just look at it, just amazing. Oh my gosh, I really hope that it's coming through. But yeah, so now I have him, and I'm super excited. Oh gosh, I tell you what, the people at the store were so sad. The volunteers who have been working with him were so sad to see him go. The shop owner was very sad to see him go, but they were also very happy to know that he was coming home to me, and then they can watch him here on my channel, and then they know that I'm going to bring him in to visit, and then they can come here to visit. So they're gonna miss him, but they also still have a lot of access to him, so that's really nice. It makes me feel good to know that people who put a lot of time into getting him back to health, when he obviously had a bit of a neglected life, care so much about him. So yes, as you can see, I am in a different room currently because he is in quarantine, and that means a completely different room for the rest of my collection, and so this is why I am in this current setting right now. And usually I only do about a 30 day quarantine. That's just for myself. People have various opinions on that. Usually I do 30 days, but for this guy I'm probably going to do 60 to 90 days, just because I know so little about this snake. I don't know where the snake came from before. I don't know if it was captive bred. I don't know if it was wild caught. I do know it had health issues, and the shop had to work really hard to get it back to good health. But that's about as much as I know about the snake. So because of that, I am going to be keeping the snake in quarantine a little longer than I have most of my other snakes, because of the lack of history when it comes to the snake. So but that's okay, because it's better safer than sorry. This gives me a chance to really observe the snake. So he is in a quarantine tub in this room, and will not be joining the rest for a while, not because of any other reason than the fact that I just want to make sure that he's actually really healthy, especially since he did already have some health issues when he was in the shop. And so to make sure that those health issues are completely gone, I want to just keep him in quarantine for at least 60 to 90 days. So now that I no longer have to keep this big secret, let's go see my other pet, and that one is actually in my bathroom. As strange as that sounds, let's go check it out. Alright, everybody. Do you see her? There she is. Yes. Oh. This is Nyx, my newest bunny. I'm so excited to have her here. So if you guys remember Avi, who has come and fed snakes here before, his family has bunnies, and their female had a litter, which was this one, and then it's been about a month, and she somehow, we still don't know, got pregnant again. And so they had to go ahead and rehome these older bunnies so that she can properly care for her newer bunnies. And so I now have this cutie here, and I've named her Nyx after the goddess of darkness. And I'm super excited to have her. I know it is strange to have a room full of snakes and now to have a pet bunny, but I don't care. I'm super excited for it. She is not food. I'm going to love her very much. It'll just take some extra precautions, definitely locking down the enclosures, making sure nobody gets out. But yes, I'm so excited that she's here. Look at her. She's so cute. So my plans for her is to eventually get her a outside hutch built for the summer that's coming up very rapidly. I don't plan on leaving her out all winter. I don't think I want to do that. Not that I think she can't survive it. I know for a fact they can survive it, as her parents and their other bunny friends have just went through a couple feet of snow and had a great time hanging outside in it, so I'm not worried about it. But I don't know, I think I want her closer to me. But the summer is coming, so I want to build her a hutch so that she can spend a lot of time outside safely, because we have big birds of prey. But for now, I have her here in my kind of semi-private bathroom. It's just a half bath, just a bathroom and a sink. And it is nice. It is enclosed space, good spot to potty train her. And she's not in any rush to quite come out yet. She's definitely still a little shy, but we are working on it. And yeah, so this is her home for now. It is small, it is quaint, but there's plenty of space for her to move around for when I am not here and I have to go to work, and she just hangs out in there and does her thing. So I've cleaned it all up. I got everything safe. All cleaning supplies are away. She can't reach anything. The toilet stays shut. So anyway, there she is, you guys. Isn't she just the cutest little thing on the planet? I'm so excited to have her. So there you guys have it. Those are my two new pets, my tiger rat snake and my new bunny. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys think they're as cute as I think they are, and I'm super excited to talk more about them as my channel progresses. I'm definitely going to do more video on Tiger, because I didn't really go more in depth about his species and where they come from, and care requirements. So I'll definitely do a video on him. And of course do more videos on Bun Bun, even though this is a reptile channel. And I'm not sure, I might even make a whole separate channel just for Nyx, but we will see. I don't really know. I might be pushing myself a little fast there. But anyway, you guys take care, love yourselves, love your critters, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.